video we are going to study about velocity of object in case of the plane mirror, velocity of image in the plane mirror. For example, first we will take case 1. In case 1 we will study when object is kept perpendicular to mirror. Here this is the plane mirror and the object is kept perpendicular to the mirror. So this is your object and this is the plane mirror which is kept perpendicular, and this object is kept at a distance of x, and at the same distance the image will be formed, and this distance we will take it as the y. This x and this y both are always equal. We have already studied in the properties of the plane mirror. So x is always equals to y. If we write here negative sign, this will make more sense because both are always moving opposite in direction. So if this x is moving with respect to time, then we can differentiate this one and we will write it as dx by dt. Means the distance is changing with respect to time, and here minus dy by dt. Means here the change in distance with respect to time. So change in distance with respect to time is nothing but it is the velocity of object, and here this is velocity of the image. This relation is called as velocity of object and the velocity of the image in case of the plane mirror, and this negative sign will shows that both are always moving opposite in direction. So next we will take one example. For example, if this is your mirror and in this mirror here we will place one object, and this object is having velocity 5 meter per second. Then what will be the velocity of the image? What will be the velocity of the image? So our answer is velocity of image is also 5 meter per second but opposite in direction. So we will write it as minus. Now if the mirror is also moving at a speed of 2 meter per second, then what will be the velocity of the image? If the mirror is also moving, in this case the mirror is at rest, then we can easily apply this equation. But if the mirror is also in motion and object is also in motion, then what will be the velocity of the image? So this we can find out here. Velocity of object is equals to velocity of the image. But this velocity of object is respect to what? Mirror. So if this velocity of object is with respect to mirror, then this equation can be written as velocity of object with respect to mirror is equals to minus velocity of image is also with respect to the mirror. So here we will write it as velocity of image with respect to mirror. So now this can be splitted as velocity of object minus velocity of mirror is equals to minus velocity of image minus velocity of the mirror. So now we will calculate here velocity of object minus this negative sign, velocity of image minus will become plus velocity of the mirror. So now we will do here velocity of object, and this one we will take here, it will become positive, velocity of image equals to, and this negative will become positive, this Vm and this Vm will becomes 2 Vm, and if you write here this side, velocity of mirror is equals to V0 Vo plus Vi divided by this 2. So this is the formula to find the velocity of the mirror. Means in this case we are having all the three velocities: velocity of mirror, velocity of object, velocity of the mirror. We are having all these three. So this is the relation between velocity of mirror, velocity of object and velocity of the mirror. So now here in this formula we will substitute these values. So velocity of mirror is how much? 2. So 2 is traveling in which direction? Opposite. So we'll take it as negative. So it is minus 2. VO means velocity of object. Velocity of object is how much? 5 meter per second, which is traveling in this direction. So we'll take it as positive 5 plus velocity of image is unknown, and this is 2. So here 2 is multiplied by minus 2, it will become minus 4 equals to this 5 plus velocity of the image. So minus 4 and this will become minus. So this will become minus 9 equals to velocity of the image. So velocity of image is equals to minus 9 meter per second. Means this here somewhere image is formed, and this image is moving with how much speed? Minus 9 meter per second. Minus 9 will shows that it is moving towards the mirror. Means if this is moving in this direction, the image will move in the opposite direction. So this opposite direction is indicated by the negative sign. So this is about the velocity of the image. Next example we will take. Next case we will study, and that one is, suppose if this is the plane mirror, if this is your plane mirror and this object is moving parallel, this is the object and this object is moving parallel to mirror at the speed of 2 meter per second. So somewhere here the image will be formed at same distance. So this distance and this distance both are always equal. Here this is object and here this is image. So this image will also move in this direction at a speed of 2 meter per second. So now if this is your mirror, plane mirror, and this is the object which is kept at some distance, and this object is moving parallel to the mirror. Both the object and mirror both are parallel. This object is moving parallel to this mirror, then image is also moving parallel in the same direction. This is also moving upward, this is also moving upward. So both are moving in same direction and at same speed. So here in this case we can write it as velocity of object is always equals to velocity of the image. Here there is no need to write any negative sign because both are traveling in same direction, so there is no need of negative sign. So this is the relation between velocity of object and velocity of image in case in which object is moving parallel to the mirror. So this formula is used when the object is moving perpendicular to the mirror. When it is perpendicular we will take negative sign, when the object is moving parallel we will take it as positive. So this is the two relation, and if the mirror is also moving we will take velocity of mirror equal to velocity of object plus velocity of image divided by 2. So these are the three formulas we are using in these cases. So next we will solve the problem. So here if this is your plane mirror, so in this plane mirror here this object and this object is moving like this at a speed of 5 meter per second, and this is making an angle of 37 degree. Now here this object is neither moving perpendicular nor parallel. So in this case how we will find the velocity of the image? So in this case we will split this component into two, that is perpendicular and the parallel. We will split this vector into two. So see here, perpendicular component and the parallel component, and this is the velocity of the object. This is 5 meter per second at 37 degree Celsius, at 37 degree. So this one we can write it as 5 cos 37, and here we will write 5 sin 37. So this 5 cos 37, its value will become 4 and this value will become 3. If you calculate sin 37 value and multiply by 5, cos 37 value multiplied by 5, you will get 4, and here it will be 3. So here this it is moving at a speed of 3 meter per second, and here parallel it is moving at 3 meter per second. So now here this image is also moving in this direction with speed of 4, and here in this component it is moving at 3 meter per second. This is 4 meter per second, means perpendicular it is traveling 4 and in parallel it is traveling 3 meter per second. So this is the velocity of the image. If we write in vector form, we can write it as 3I plus 4j, or else if you take the magnitude, then this can be written as 3 square plus 4 square. So velocity it will become 4 square 16, 3 square 9, 9 plus 16, 4 4 is 16, 16 plus 9, 25. So it will become 5 meter per second. So this image is also moving with velocity of 5 meter per second. So in this way we will calculate the velocity of the image if the object is not moving neither perpendicular nor parallel. In this case we will split this vector into two components, perpendicular component and the parallel component, and we will find out the velocity of the image. So now in this case this velocity of mirror is taken as 0, means this mirror is not moving, mirror is at the rest. So we can use this formula and we can find. But for example, if the mirror is also in motion and object is also in motion, so now here if the object is moving at speed of 2 meter per second, 2 root 2 meter per second, and it is making an angle of 45 degree, and this mirror is also moving at speed of 5 meter per second, and it is making an angle of 37 degree. Then what will be the velocity of the image? So in this case, if we want to find velocity of image, then first we will calculate this 2. We will split this velocity into two components. If you split, how much we will get means, if this is 2 root 2, then this can be written as 2 root 2 cos theta, theta is 45 degree, and here this can be written as 2 root 2 sin 45 degree. So 2 root 2 sin 45 means 2 root 2 multiple sin 45 is 1 by root 2, root 2 will be cancelled. So this distance, this component will be 2, and here this also become 2 because 2 root 2 cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So root 2 will be cancelled. So here this value will get it as 2. Now we will find the velocity of the image. So now here this is traveling at 2, and here this one will be taken as 2. But we will take this one, but here our mirror is also moving. So when this mirror is also moving, again this component will be splitted. This is 5 and this is 37 degree. So this can be written as 5 cos 37 degree, and here it is 5 sin 37. So here we will get it as 4, and here we will get it as 3. Now if this object is moving at 4 meter per second and here it is moving 3 meter per second, then we will do the calculation. Velocity of image is equals to, if the mirror is also moving, means we will apply mirror formula. Velocity of mirror is equals to velocity of object plus velocity of image divided by 2. In case of perpendicular, velocity of mirror is equals to velocity of object is how much? 2. Velocity of mirror is how much? 4. So here we will take it as 4 and this will be 2. Both are in same direction, we will take positive, and this is Vi divided by 2. 4 into 2, it will be 8, and this will become minus 2 equals to velocity of the image. So 8 minus 2 will be 6. So this will be the velocity of the image, 6 meter per second. This is in case of the perpendicular. And if you take parallel is how much here? 2. So here also it will move with the velocity of 2, because if the object is moving parallel, then there is no effect. if the mirror is moving parallel. So our answer is velocity of image in case of parallel is 2 meter per second. If you write it in vector form, we will write it as velocity of image equals to 2I plus 6j. So this is the velocity of image. If you take its magnitude, velocity of image equals to square root of 2 square plus 6 square. 2 square will be 4 plus 6 square will be 36.